There's Andy, yeah.
My name's Andy. I'm from Southern California. Please don't hold that against me. But I'm the Senior Regional Sales Manager for the Western United States. All right, so now we're going to get into insects. Triple action. So you have triple action. This is both. There's the ready to use, and then there's also a concentrate. This is one of my favorite pesticides.
Oh yeah.
All right. This is it's triple action because it does three things. It's a miticide, it's a fungicide, and it's an insecticide. It's made out of two ingredients. It's made out of neem, and it's made out of pyrethrins. Does everybody know where neem and pyrethrins come from?
No, tell us.
Okay, so pyrethrins comes from chrysanthemums, right? It's derived from chrysanthemums. Neem comes from the neem tree out of India. One of the oldest pesticides in the world. It is. It's been around for thousands of years, neem tree. Natives back in the day used to take twigs and chew on it to fight tooth decay. All right, so neem's been around for a long time. They have OMRI certification labels on them as well, completely natural and organic. You can use it on everything. Fruits, vegetables, flowers, trees, you name it. You can even use it indoors on house plants. I would probably spray it outside and then bring the plant back in, but it's a great product. The neem tends to smother the leaf a little bit to help prevent any of those diseases to attack the plant after the bugs are already there. Primarily aphids. Aphids, whiteflies are some of the pests that we get a lot. Aphids are amazing, right? 95% of them are female and they're born pregnant. So that's how they reproduce so fast.
That's true.
It's complete. They come in different colors. They're orange, green, black, brown, you name it. And once the aphids on there, they pierce the buds or the leaves of the plants. They secrete a sweet resin on the plant. And what happens after that? Ants, right? And the ants come, and then the ants introduce all the diseases and everything else. So that's what this is for. So once you already have all those bugs on your roses and hibiscus and plants and flowers and petunias and everything else, this is what you're going to need.
Why do they call it triple action? What are the three things that it solves?
Well, I went through that. You missed it. It was miticide, fungicide, and an insecticide.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Powdery mildews, aphids are already out.
Yeah.
And leaf spot.
Leaf spot, thrips.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mildews on my pumpkins, squash.
Yeah.
This is what I use. I always start the season, I make sure this is always on my garden shelf. I know I'm going to have some problems. I know I want to go organic. This is my go-to every time. The very first time, this is what I always have. Tomatoes, triple action is what the name is. And then after that, once grasshopper season blister beetles come, I mean, it's not quite as effective. I mean, the bottle is highly effective. You can take a grasshopper out like that really well. Not as good as spring. We got to go to hardcore stuff at that point. Or there's some fancy baits and stuff. But this is it's an amazing technology. And organic. That's what I love.